Hello everyone, welcome to this YouTube channel, and in this video we will discuss about the Power BI stack bar chart, and these are the different headings that we are going to cover in this video. First we will see what is tooltip, and then we will see how we can add and customize the tooltip values in the Power BI stack bar chart visual in a Power BI report. So let's begin. So what is tooltip in the Power BI stack bar chart? It is to display the values when we hover any of the bar. It displays the value that we have mentioned in the tooltips, and then I will show you how to add the tooltip values and multiple tooltip values for the Power BI stack bar chart visual, and how we can customize the tooltip value. So initially log into the Power BI desktop, and using the get data option load the data into it. In this example I have previously loaded the financial data source, and then expand the visualization tab, select the stack bar chart visual here. So I am going to use this visual to display the sales value by country. So in the x-axis field, drag and drop the sales value, and in the y-axis field, drag and drop the country value. So the stack bar chart visual displays the sales value by country. Here you can see when I hover in the bar, it displays the country name and the sales value. In the same way, for here also, it displays the country value called Canada, and it displays the sales value. So by default, the tooltip will be enabled. To check that, go to the format visual. Here you can see under the general settings, here you can see the tooltips option has been enabled by default. When you hover any of the bars in the bar chart, we cannot view the values. So enable the tooltip value so that it is possible to view the sales value when you hover the chart. Here you can see now it displays. So this is how to enable or disable the tooltip value, and also it is possible to add multiple values in the tooltip section. In this case, by default it displays the sales value, and if I want to display profit value, then drag and drop the profit field into the tooltip section. Now hover any of the bars presented in the chart, and it displays the country name, sales value, and the profit value. In the same way, we can also add many fields into it, so that for the selected country we can see the sales value, profit value, gross sale value, and the sale price value. Now we know how to add tooltip value and multiple values in the tooltips. Now we will see how to customize this tooltips value. Like, we can change the background color of the tooltips, and we can change the font color. Now I will show you how to customize the tooltips. Go to the format your visual and go to the general settings here. Expand the tooltip option. Here you can see under text, here you can see the label color is gray and the value color is gray. So when you hover here, you can see the label country has the gray color and the Canada has the white color. So if I want to change the label color as pink, and now if you hover any of the country, then in that case you can see the country label has been changed. In the same way, we can also change the value color to yellow. Here you can see the label color and the value color has been changed. We can also change the font, and we can increase the font size as well, and also we can increase the font style. Here you can see based on the selection it customizes the tooltips. Now I have removed the font style, so it is displaying the default font, and expand the background color. By default it is in the black color, so if you want to change it into gray, here you can see the color has been changed. In this case I am going to choose the black color. Here you can see it displays the value as it is, and we can also select the transparency percentage, so based on that it displays the value. So in here I am going to choose 7%. Now when you click reset to default option, the changes that you have made for the tooltip or customize the tooltips will be automatically removed. So if I am going to click reset to default here, and now if you hover any of the bars, here you can see it displays the default value. and the default background color, font color, label color, value color, everything will be changed into default. So again I'm going to choose the label as pink and the color black. Now here you can see, based on the selection, it displays the tooltip in the Power BI stack bar chart visual in a Power BI report. With this we came to the end of this video, where we have learned how to enable or disable the tooltip option and how to add multiple tooltips value and how to customize the tooltip value for the Power BI stack bar chart visual in the Power BI. Thanks for watching this video, and these are the free video tutorials that are presented in our YouTube channel. Please check it out, and please do subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you.